Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing also well.
That's great to hear. Is there something on your mind that you'd like to talk about, or is everything going smoothly for you?
Do you remember my name?
I'm afraid I don't have any record of your name. We just started our conversation, and I don't retain information about individual users. Would you like to share your name with me?
My name is Mustafa.
Nice to meet you, Mustafa. Is there something specific you'd like to chat about or ask me, or are we just catching up?
Could you tell me what your purpose is, but please keep your answer short.
I'm a friendly assistant designed to provide helpful and informative responses to your questions and engage in conversation.
Do you still remember my name?
Yes, Mustafa. I remember that you told me your name earlier in our conversation.